message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. A few days ago, NASA detected an asteroid in our solar system. At first, they did not believe that it would hit our planet. But, after an unknown incident, it is on a direct collision towards Earth. It is expected to hit the state of Texas in about 3 days. It is going to hit right after midnight during New Year's. There is no chance of humanity surviving this collision. It is advised to try to spend these last days on our planet as peacefully as possible. Gather with your loved ones and make sure they're safe. Do not commit suicide if you have family, as do not make them stressed in their final moments. We will broadcast our final message when the asteroid is about to hit.
Oh.